This is the weekly check of the Hungry Bin. Before I turn the light on, oh, all the worms went down. I was kind of hoping to catch them on the cover here, on the top, but they all went down. All right, let's check here. Ooh, nice and moist here, and there's a bunch of worms close to the top. Of course, this is also where I fed, I believe. Just over the top. And if we go right below where I fed, there's a bunch of worms and castings. So let me go ahead and fluff this up a bit like I normally do. You can see where it's starting to get compact. It's nice and moist. This is a mite-filled potato. Mites. So they'll break it down before the worms will get to it. Very moist down there. Of course, I'm not doing anything different than I have been doing for the past few weeks. Let's see, I believe next week or maybe the end of this week, it's the 1st of the month, 1st of June, so I will be doing a harvest at that time. I may wait till next week, I'm not sure. Next Monday. Or I may do it Saturday, depending what my schedule looks like. This looks nice. They're still, this is soft, but this doesn't look like they've got into it yet. Of course, I didn't break it open. It's just a little chili pepper. Now this feeding that I have, I'm going to put it on the perimeter. Most of it is the same type of stuff. It's not, how do I say that? It's more carbon based than nitrogen based. More brown than green. So, just going to put it around the perimeter like I normally do. Lots of shells. Getting down to the last of the sunflower seed shells in my freezer. Looks like there's some, what is this? Tomato-based type of something. The usual banana skins, orange peels, orange rinds. So they'll enjoy some of that. It's not wet at all. Not wet like when you put a bunch of fruit in it. Just gonna get all of this stuff. So I'll just put this around the perimeter. And now I will put some warm chow. Over the top of it, I will put existing bedding. There's lots of worms here throughout. Doing their thing. And some moist bedding. Not a lot, just a little bit. And some of my usual neem seed meal. And replace the little plastic in the center. The worms do like to go up here underneath, like I mentioned last time. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.